Hello all my friends. Today we make mozzarella at home. Mozzarella, we use it for many type of baking, and today we make it at home. Very simple and very easy way. Let's start and make it together. Please, if you not participate in my channel, make subscribe and leave your comment, and when you like it, make share. Very easy recipe. Must be fresh milk, not pastroise, not long life milk, just fresh. That is the only way you can make mozzarella. We need 1 liter milk, 20 gram of lemon juice, 20 gram of white vinegar. We heat the milk for 50 degree. When becomes warm, we remove from the fire. So you cannot reheat, you just warm the milk. As you see, is 54. We remove from the heat. You cannot boil, because if you boil you will destroy the consistency. So when is warm, almost 50 degree, you can check with your finger. Then you can add it the vinegar, white vinegar, and lemon juice. Then you start stir the milk. You will find little curd. Slowly you mix all the side, and as you see, the cheese becomes little by little. You can use the spoon. You collect it all together until you have a nice ball. From 1 liter milk, almost 240-260 gram of mozzarella cheese. As you see, now we have mozzarella. We collect it all together in the side. But without fresh milk you cannot have this mozzarella. Only fresh milk. We mix all together. We collect all the pieces. Very nice, you see, is elastic. This is the consistency of mozzarella. We squeeze it all together from the water. And this water you can preserve. You can add it some salt and keep the mozzarella inside. It keeps long life. Or you can use it to make buttermilk shortbread, or you can use it for red velvet. You have many options to use. This you can use fresh lemon juice or ready-made. We strain the mozzarella. As you see, it becomes a nice ball. I put in one bowl, keep in the freezer 6-7 hours. As you see, actually I keep it in the fridge one night, and now our mozzarella is ready. You can use it for pasta, you can use it for pizza, or even dessert. You have perfect mozzarella, homemade, fresh, you know the ingredients, no added any fats. Hope you enjoy watching my channel. Please leave your comment. Let us know if you want to make any dessert. Thanks for watching. Ahmad Younes.